measure and draw angles? Think about this question during the lesson. Angles are usually measured in units called degrees. The degrees symbol indicates degrees. A protractor is a tool that is used to measure and draw angles. A partially folded crane is shown. How do you measure angle PQR? Let's find out. What are the rays that form angle PQR? The rays that form angle PQR are ray QP and ray QR. What is the vertex of angle PQR? The vertex of angle PQR is Q. When you name an angle with 3 letters, the letter in the middle is always the name of the vertex. What is another name for angle PQR? Another name for angle PQR is RQP. Where should you place the protractor's center to measure angle PQR? To measure angle PQR, place the protractor's center on the angle's vertex, Q. Place one side of the bottom edge on one side of the angle. What do you notice about the protractor where the other side of the angle crosses? Read the measure where the other side of the angle crosses the protractor. It is made of a larger and smaller number. If the angle is acute, use the smaller number. If the angle is obtuse, use the larger number. What type of angle is angle PQR? Angle PQR is an acute angle. What is the measure of angle PQR? The measure of angle PQR is 45 degrees. There are 2 scales on the protractor. What is another reason you read the measure of angle PQR as 45 degrees instead of 135 degrees? Another reason you read the measure of angle PQR as 45 degrees instead of 135 degrees is that you use the scale that contains the 0 degrees mark from the side you placed the bottom edge of the protractor. How do you use a protractor to draw an angle that measures 130 degrees? Let's find out. Begin by drawing a ray. Label the end point T. Place the protractor so that the middle of the bottom edge is over the end point of the ray T. Place a point at 130 degrees. Label it W. What should you do next? Draw ray TW. Where will you place the next point? Place the next point on the first ray with endpoint T to mark the 0 degree mark. Label it U. The measure of angle WTU is 130 degrees. Suppose ray TU had been drawn pointing to the left instead of to the right. Where would ray TW have been drawn? If ray TU had been drawn pointing to the left, ray TW would have been drawn so that it passed through the mark for 130 degrees on the other scale. You have learned how to measure and draw angles.